I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel, and today I am heading off to a brand new circuit. I am heading off to the wonderful, the amazing Snetterton racetrack for the first time. You may notice that there is somebody here joining me. Say hi to Dan. Dan is here and is going to be driving us up in the van, and you may notice his bike. Now there is a real interesting reason why we're bringing a van and we're not driving in the car, and that is because unlike usual I'm not hiring from Small Boys Track Hire Bikes. What I'm actually doing is buying from Small Boys Track Hire Bikes. Yes, I am actually eventually buying the Kawasaki ZX6, which I'm going to be out and riding. So I'm really looking forward to that. Now I'm going to be doing all the usual stuff. I will come in, make sure I'm bringing the airbag vest. So we'll tell you a little bit more about that one in a moment. I'll also be turning on the GPS so that we can get all the analytics, and we're going to have a really fun day. And Dan's going to be here with me, and we're basically going to go out and have an amazing track day, as long as it doesn't rain too much. So we'll have to see. So stick with us and we'll tell you a little bit more about it coming up right now. Hey, so I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Now that might seem a weird thing to say considering you've just heard me say hello and welcome. You see, the footage you just saw where me and Dan were going to Snetterton and we were going to pick up my bike did kind of work out the way we wanted it to. Unfortunately things weren't quite correct, and unfortunately the bike had to stay where it was and have a little bit more mechanical work done to it. Now you may notice a really big van. We're going to basically go and do part two. We're doing this a second time round. We're zooming up to Donnington. We're basically going to go and grab the bike, make sure it's okay, and I'll give you a little bit of footage on the bike and just showing it to you brand new and loading it into the van. And then we are off to a Southwest Bikers track day at Llandow in Wales, and I'm actually going to be yellow vesting that day, so I'm moderating it. Is that the right way of saying it? Basically I'm going to be out looking after the middle group, making sure that everyone's able to basically do as they're told and have a great day, and try and help people with some lines if they want any help. So it should be a really fun day. Come along, enjoy the ride. I'll tell you more about it very soon. So people, here she is, Kawasaki ZX636, the small boys version that basically I have now bought. She is now mine. I've basically gone and grabbed her, tested her here at Donnington, just about to head down to Llandow, and we're going to go and have some fun on this wonderful bike. So come along with us and we'll show you a bit more. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.